Well, I just got back inside after the blizzard started again. This is how much snow just in like 2 minutes. I'm on my porch, my boots. Craziness. Can't believe you can see our windows. If I can focus in here, look. Can barely even see out the windows. This is our porch right now. And our door is completely warped. So the door will not shut, so we have to put a weight in front of the door to keep it shut right now. And as you can see, because the door kept opening through the middle of the night, we have snowdrifts on our porch. And so the porch doesn't become flooded, we've put towels all along the edges so that when the snow blows in and melts, at least it melts on the towels and not in the corners of our porch.